Everyone, Sheevaun Moran here, driving for your success, about cleaning up those doubts. Doubt's real. It is unreal, but it's real because it affects literally everyone. Maybe you doubt about what you're here to do. Maybe you doubt about the step to take. Maybe you doubt about the price to pay. Maybe you doubt about investing in yourself. Maybe you doubt about posting a video. Maybe you doubt about really putting yourself out there. Maybe you doubt so much that you're in that abyss of stuckness. That doubt thing is so dangerous. And the dangers of doubt are such that it will stop you in your tracks and hold you there and keep you there longer than you really are meant to stay there. I mean, doubt for a moment is fine, but ongoing doubt, it builds and creates this momentum that is hard to break. And breaking out of that takes more than just a little bit of faith. It takes mountains of faith. Meaning, the faith the size of a mustard seed can move a mountain. However, having and implying and implementing that faith requires every moment of every breath of every day to be fully and completely part of your entire conscious and unconscious way. And that's the only way to conquer doubt. The other way is to just leap and do it. And that will definitely get you to the other side. There's a story I tell in a lot of my teachings and my Epic Life Success Summit that when I took my assistant to India on a trip to India, and we'd lost our guidebook and we'd lost our driver that we were supposed to have because our plane got delayed, and it seemed like things weren't working in our favor. And then we met this driver in Bangladesh, and his name was Muhammad. And Muhammad was filled with doubt. He would perpetually say, Miss, I have doubt. I have doubt basically about what turn to take, the choices I was making, the timing of something, even the place that we wanted to eat. He said, Miss, I have doubt that you'll be allowed to eat there. And he just spent so much time saying, Miss, I have doubt. And the entire time I said to him, every time he said, Miss, I have doubt, I said, no doubt, Muhammad, no doubt. And it kind of became a joke. But every time I would clean up his doubt and wouldn't buy into his doubt, we would have the most magical experience. The most amazing situations occur for us. And so other people's doubts often become your doubts. And so the situation that you end up in around doubt needs to be cleaned up and dealt with on a regular and consistent basis. So what are you doing about your doubts? If you need help getting out of that doubt, I've got a couple of audios that I can recommend to you. I've got a book that I can recommend to you that I've written. I've written 19 of them. And so I request that you leave your doubts aside and really just spend a moment in this idea, re-listen to this and share it, like it, comment, leave the doubt aside, and let's find some common ground and get you onto the other shore. My name's Sheevaun Moran. Go to SheevaunMoran.com, SheevaunMoran.com. Hey, see you on the other side.